In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a circle in Adobe After Effects. Whether you're just getting started with motion graphics or looking to refine your skills, knowing how to leverage the basic tools in After Effects is invaluable. So let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to open Adobe After Effects. This iconic software is a powerhouse for creating motion graphics and visual effects, but don't let its vast capabilities intimidate you. We're here to focus on something simple but fundamental. Once After Effects is up and running, we'll begin by heading over to the Composition menu. This is where the magic happens, as a composition in After Effects is essentially the canvas for your project. Now, click on New Composition. A menu will pop up allowing you to customize your workspace. Here, you can set the width and height to fit your project needs. Maybe you're working on a standard 1920 by 1080 HD video, or perhaps you're going for something more custom. Enter your desired dimensions and also ensure you specify the right duration, whether it's for a short clip or something longer. Once done, click OK. With our composition ready, our next task is to head over to the toolbar. Located typically at the top, the toolbar hosts various tools we use for drawing and editing. Here, you'll find the rectangle tool by default, but what we're interested in is the ellipse tool. So click and hold on the rectangle tool to reveal a drop-down menu. From this list, select the ellipse tool. The ellipse tool might be called a bit misleadingly considering our aim as it's used to create ellipses and circles. Now comes the fun part. Move your pointer to the composition panel. This is where you get to draw. To draw a perfect circle, click and drag while holding the Shift key. This ensures that your ellipse is constrained to a circle. If you skip the Shift key, you'll be able to create ellipses of varying shapes and sizes, but we want that perfect roundness. If you're unhappy with the circle's size or position, don't worry, as these can be adjusted later. After drawing your circle, you may want to tweak its appearance. Click on the shape layer in your timeline and look at the shape properties that appear. Here, you can modify aspects such as stroke width, color, and fill. Tailor these properties to suit your project's aesthetic, ensuring your circle integrates seamlessly into your composition. And there you have it. Drawing a circle in Adobe After Effects is straightforward, yet the tool provides a range of options for creativity and precision. Thank you for joining me as we navigated through these simple steps. Happy animating!